Still using jagged arrays in C#? You might be making your code harder to manage. Today, I'll show you why ArrayList is a smarter, more flexible alternative. Jagged arrays allow you to store multidimensional data where each row can have a different length. While they offer some flexibility, they come with limitations. Let's see why. Here, we store arrays of different lengths inside another array. While this works, it's rigid, difficult to modify dynamically, and lacks built-in functionality for common operations like adding or removing rows. So what is the solution? Solution is, instead of using jagged arrays, let's use ArrayList. This gives us dynamic resizing, easier modification, and built-in list functions. With nested lists, we can dynamically add or remove elements without worrying about fixed sizes. The .add method makes modifications quick and intuitive. Jagged arrays have fixed sizes, making them harder to modify, while nested lists offer dynamic growth. Let's compare their usability. Nested lists offer better flexibility, but if you're dealing with strictly fixed-size data, jagged arrays may still be useful. Jagged arrays aren't entirely useless. They're better when 1. You have a fixed, known data structure. 2. You're working with performance-sensitive applications, less memory overhead. 3. You need a lightweight data structure without additional overhead. Conclusion. Jagged arrays may seem convenient, but nested lists give you more power and flexibility. Next time you need a dynamic multidimensional structure, consider ArrayList instead.